Hello, good morning. Today is Psalm 14, and Psalm 14 is a psalm that reminds us that God is jealous for his people, and they are in his inheritance. So, first I will read the psalm and then play the music. The fool has said in his heart, "There is no God." They are corrupt, and they have done abominable works. There is none who does good. The Lord looks down from heaven to see the children of men, and to see if there are any who understand or seek God. They have all turned aside, they have altogether become corrupt, and there is none who does good, no, not one, says he. Have all the workers of iniquity no knowledge, who eat up my people as they eat bread, and do not call on the Lord? There they are in great fear. For God is with the generation of the righteous. You shame the counsel of the poor, but the Lord is his refuge. Oh, that salvation of Israel would come out of Zion. When the Lord brings back the captivity of his people, let Jacob rejoice and Israel be glad. Hallelujah. The folly of the godless and God's final triumph. May the Lord bless you and keep you and watch over you in your comings and goings, both now and forevermore. And I pray this will bless you today. And I pray for all those who have suffered at the hands of the ungodly. I pray that you will be encouraged to know that the Lord is with you and He is for you. And so trust in Him. When you call upon His name, you will be saved. God bless you until we see again. Amen.